live updates. I have come back to Delhi, and now I'm going with my sister to get a new haircut. We are going to Ambience Mall to get a haircut from Geetanjali Salon. It will be my first experience. I'm going to finally cut my hair after 5 long years. Excited and nervous at the same time. That is the mall, guys. The Ambience Mall in Basan Kunz. Oh, we have reached the destination. That is the mall, the Ambience Mall. We are already inside the mall, looking for Geetanjali. Apparently, it's in the ground floor. Geetanjali Salon. Is it okay to record videos?
Yeah.
You can get appointment.
For what service?
For haircut.
James.
Yeah.
Bây giờ phải kêu lại để cho họ. Trying to get this haircut. Second option.
Ano po? Chào nô rồi. Hay po tayo ngayon ba ibo?
6 years running retire ko. Babre ba? 19 years kaya tayo ma. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24 retire.
भैया आप कितना साल हो गया इधर?
10 साल हो गया.
ओह वाओ. Sorry?
Manipur.
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 And you?
I'm from Delhi.
Oh, Delhi. सेम आपका भी YouTube चैनल है अभी कर सकता है ना ट्यूटोरियल हाँ वो तो है How are you feeling? All about?
Feeling funny.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling funny.
No,
with
you
a
are looking
short
great.
hair. Athena,
Sam,
you are happy?
I'm so happy.
Very happy. I like it.
Parents also will be very happy.
Okay.
Are you liking it?
Yes, very much.
Okay,
Best-
let's see.
best-
He is the best hair stylist in Geetanjali Salon and all over India. Anybody looking for a great hairstyle, please come to Sam. It's in Ambience Mall, Vasant Kunj.
Thumbs up from us. Thank you.
Sam will come next time again
Okay.
to cut it shorter.
This is the final touch. Feels weird to carry short hair after a long time.
After 6 years.
After 6 years, yes.
And my first experience as
Let me know in the comment section if this hairstyle is matching me or not. I'm satisfied with the haircut. First experience, good experience. Thank you guys for watching. See you in another video. Bye guys.